know that tomatoes are a superfood with amazing benefits that supports healthy skin, weight loss, and heart health? Hi, this is Risa Samson and welcome to another healthy recipe. This time I'll be using fresh ripe tomatoes. It's a perfect recipe for the entire family to enjoy and on time for our Holy Week. So my recipe today would be my version of the healthy tuna spaghetti made from fresh ripe tomatoes. The ready-made sauces you can buy from the grocery stores are fully loaded with sugars, fats, and salts, so I prefer we make our own sauce from fresh ripe tomatoes. I know it's very convenient for you to just get them from the store, but have you ever asked yourself that convenience can cost your health? At least when you make your own sauce, you will know what you're getting in, everything natural, and you can even control your sodium. If you have any questions and opinions, you can just place them in the comments below and I'm happy to read them and reply to them soon. So let's get into it and let's start cooking. I will start by boiling a pot of water. Since I'll be just preparing a meal just for 2 people, I will be using just 11 ripe smoked tomatoes, pre-washed and stems taken off. Once the water boils, turn off the heat and just drop all the tomatoes in and blanch them for just 20 seconds. Then fish them out and cool them up in cold water. This process will make the skins of the tomatoes to be easily peeled off. While we are cooling off the tomatoes, let me introduce you the rest of our ingredients that we will be using in our healthy tuna spaghetti recipe. The ingredients of today's recipe will also be placed on the description below. So dice a whole onion, 5 cloves of garlic, I'll be using olive oil, which I find works best with tuna, spaghetti wheat pasta, and always get the healthiest ones which have more fiber, a can of 180 grams tuna, it could be in oil, brine or water, so I'll drain out the liquid from the can to lessen the fishy taste, salt and pepper, parsley flakes, you can use fresh ones too, or any other herbs of your choice. Parmesan cheese. So that's all the ingredients we'll be needing. Now let's get back to our cooled tomatoes. So drain the tomatoes and just place a light X cut on top of the tomatoes. You can place the cut before you blanch the tomatoes, but if you forget to do it before, you can do it after, like what I'm doing right now. Then you can pull the skin from the X mark. It makes it super easier to peel. slice the peeled tomatoes in halves and take out all the seeds. It might get a little bit messy, but all still worth it. You can also blend your tomatoes if you want a puree consistency to your sauce. But for me, I prefer some bits of tomato in my spaghetti, so I just slice them in smaller portions. Then you can just set them aside and start cooking your wheat spaghetti pasta. Prepare a larger pot and boil some water in it. Then place around a tablespoon of salt and oil and let that boil. Once it's boiling, you can place in your wheat spaghetti pasta. A bunch of pasta this size is equal to 1 serving. Since, as I mentioned, this tuna spaghetti I'm making is just for 2 people, so 2 bunches of pasta will be enough. So wait till the spaghetti pasta are cooked through. You will know by biting a piece to check if they are. And while the pasta is still tender but still firm, you turn off your stove and drain the pasta and cool under running water. If you cooked your sauce while cooking the pasta, you can directly add the pasta to your sauce without this cooling process. Meanwhile, let's start cooking our sauce. Heat up our pan and set it to medium heat. Sauté the onions till they get a little bit translucent. Then add in the garlic till they both get caramelized and fragrant. Add in the tomatoes into the pan and cook them till they get a little bit mushy, or you can help it mush it up a bit. Sprinkle some parsley and season with salt and pepper. Then you can add in your tuna. When the liquid of your sauce dries a little, you can add some water and stir till it simmers. Then you can sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese. And immediately put in the pasta. Toss the pasta till the pasta and the sauce thoroughly combines. Then you can turn off the fire. As easy as that. Your delicious healthy tuna spaghetti is ready to be served. Just plate it. And finally, sprinkle more parsley and Parmesan and enjoy. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's it again for today, and thanks for watching. And please don't forget to check out my other recipes on my playlist for more easier and healthier ideas. Till the next one, happy eating!